How to apply double exposure effect in Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Once you are on the home screen, you will see the double exposure tool. Tap on it and choose an image from your gallery. After you choose an image, the effect will be applied and blended with the default image from the app along with your chosen image. You can use the eraser option to remove or restore parts of the image. Take your time to experiment with different default images from the app until you get the desired double exposure effect. Once you are satisfied with the result, tap the check mark to apply the changes. Finally, tap the save icon at the top right corner to save your edited photo or share it directly. And that's it. Now you know how to apply the double exposure effect in Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.